I am Professor Prashant R. Nair, Associate Professor of Computer Science and Engineering at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham University, Coimbatore campus in South India. I have also been coordinating the ICPC Asia Amritapuri Regional Contest for the last 10 years. My topic for the presentation at the Competitive Learning Institute CLI 2020 as part of the ICPC 2020 World Finals Kickoff is impact of competitive programming in increasing the employability of engineering graduates in India. I am using the case study of the university that I am employed in, the Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, which literally translates to Amrita University, which is the best private university in India. Out of more than 1,000 universities in India, it is ranked in the top 5 universities by the Government of India. The university has renowned humanitarian leader Sri Mata Amritanandamayi Devi as the Chancellor. She is also known as the Hugging Saint in the West. Amrita has a wonderful ambience provided for nurturing, nourishing, and organizing the ICPC regional contest in India. We started out in 2005. At that point of time, there were perhaps a few hundred participants of ICPC in India. Now, cut to 2020, we have more than 5,000 plus participants in India. There are several sites of ICPC in India, and the contest has grown by leaps and bounds. It has caught the imagination of the computer science community in India, as also the smart and brilliant code geeks in India. The ICPC Asia Amritapuri contest is the largest ICPC site worldwide with 5,000 plus participants. The Amritapuri site, the contest happens in 3 different states of India in South India. The first site is, of course, Amritapuri, which is in Kerala, also known popularly as God's own country. The next site is Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is popularly known as the Manchester of India for being a textile hub. The third site is Bangalore in the state of Karnataka, also called the Silicon Valley of India. Now, today, if you see the popularity of ICPC has happened singularly because of the efforts of Amrita University. What has happened is many of these colleges hitherto never knew about ICPC except for the top national institutions. Because of the Amrita contest, it has spread to the rank and file of computer science students all over India. And as a result of this contest, their employability has improved, their placement outcomes have improved, and we are seeing that these ICPC alumni are securing dream jobs in the best of IT companies: Apple, Google, Cisco, Microsoft, and IBM. There is a huge employability problem in India. Annually, over 3 million students join the portals of these IT companies. But the industry body for software and service companies in India, NASSCOM, has estimated that only 25% of these graduates are employable. This is even worse when you consider product companies. Perhaps less than 4% of them are ready for a product job, a software product job. Less than 4% are ready for a startup job. This is a very serious and alarming situation. And contests like ICPC, as also events like hackathons, project competitions, have played a very important role in getting the best placements for these students. In fact, some of these companies recruit in India and directly recruit them for their American operations. Like Apple recruits in India, but the students who are selected in Apple directly go to Cupertino, the headquarters of Apple. Now, if you take the experience of our university, it is the same. We have one of the best placement records in the country. We have close to 100% placement. And not only that, we see that some of our Amrita graduates get 6 jobs. They have 6 job offers. Not only this, industry has also wholeheartedly embraced this ICPC contest because of the Amrita efforts. Industry has been patronizing. Our regional contest has been supported by the best IT companies in India, like Infosys and Cognizant. As also a startup company, a hot startup company called DirectEye, has been very patronizing this contest. In fact, DirectEye has what is known as the CodeChef platform. CodeChef is an amazing platform whereby there are more than 1.25 million Indian programmers on CodeChef. They have the experience of conducting more than 3,000 contests with a whopping 92 million submissions. DirectEye, which runs this CodeChef platform, has a Go for Gold initiative. If an Indian team wins the ICPC World Finals, today they are entitled to a wonderful prize money of 23,000 plus US dollars. This is in addition to the ICPC prize money and the goodies and the travel grant. This amount or this prize money increases year on year because obviously no Indian team has been able to win the ICPC World Finals, and DirectEye wants to give this prize to the first Indian team that is successful. Another study that I have done is about how the ICPC program attributes have resulted in improving the employability vis-a-vis the program outcomes of the National Board of Accreditation. The NBA or National Board of Accreditation's program outcomes are based on the American Engineering Commission ABET's program outcomes. And we see that ICPC contest attributes have a very strong mapping to 9 out of the 12 program outcomes of NBA. These include engineering knowledge, problem analysis, design and development of solutions, conducting investigations of complex problems, modern tool usage, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication, and project management. There is a very high mapping to these 9 out of the 12 attributes. Interestingly, if you take bread and butter courses of computer science and engineering, like say computer programming, basic computer programming, there is only a mapping to 3 of these outcomes. If you take data structures and algorithms, there is a mapping to say 5 of these outcomes. So no computer science and engineering course maps so strongly to the 12 program outcomes like the ICPC contest. So this is a clear testament to the fact that ICPC is definitely improving the learning outcomes, which thereby improve the employability of Indian graduates. And we see that very clearly not only from our placement statistics, from our placement record. We see that all these institutions are seeing many of the ICPC alumni win better dream jobs or secure better dream jobs in top companies like Apple, Cognizant, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and so on. Thank you.